bersyukur nak Islam jong unongsan Hima.
Kagenhun kinohikai ka Meghalaya Sarva Shiksha Abhiyan School Association Central Body hapo ka jinglam uba Aristotle si Rembai kalapan ka Jingpynshai Halor ka Hukum perkhat ni ka nongrim jong ka Sarkar Jilla ha ka baidei bat karai jong ka Ïingbishar ba hakli do Halor ka jingdan kamban pendap ya ka teachers eligibility test daki nonghikai ki badang hap hapo ka kam syakri palat ya ka sansnem Habakran cekila pathai kubor u Presiden kakenhun uba Aristotle si Rembai ula pensyai Halor kajing ai hukum ka Ïingbishar bakli do bakino hikai ki badang don ha ka kam syakri ki bala hikai palat ya ka sansnem ki hab ban pendap bat pas ya ka TET laki de ki bahikai ha ki skol sarkar ne ki skol jang ki shimet laki hikai ha ki skol SSA Halor kan ni uba Aristotle ulaong bana kalyang kakenhun kalahap ban perkhat shwa ya ka kasin jam bana kalyang ka state government kan shim ya garai bat kakenhun ru kan petho shwa tat anda hado bandalayo ka jingpenteb kin sa shim ya garai bakhadu
Mentakasngi nakalyang jongi ka Meghalaya SSA School Association Central Body nila Kynduh ia Sir Vijay Kumar Menteri bagi Commissioner and Secretary jong ka Education Department kapanghi kamat kabang kren bati kalong Halor ka Supreme Court order kabalami ha ka shitrik jong bandau benai ha kabai dei bat ka case jong ka Anjuman Isyat Talim Trust persya ya ka State of Maharashtra bat kiwei ha kabana kaliang jong ka Honorable Supreme Court kala penmi ya ka order baong ba barok ki in service teachers kihab ban pendep ya ka teachers eligibility test lane katet hapo arsnem nadu ka sni ka bapenmi ya kane ka order ka bamut nadu ka shitrik u September arja posan kihab ban pendep ya kane ka tet exam ka bamut hapo arsnem to hadin ka cingi kendo jangi bat i commissioner secretary nakaliang jongi association ngin Apshwa ya ka kasinjam ka bana kaliang jong ka state government kan shim ngin page ba ka kastan jong ka state government Halor jong ka ni ka Supreme Court ruling te hadin bana kaliang jong ka government kala notify mo ya kastan jong ka based on that nakaliang jong we will take a final call regarding this tinalon nang ta kani ka Supreme Court order dated 1st September 2025 kala ong shushu hangto ba kini ki in service teachers mo in service teachers ki bala thung prior to enactment of the RT Act 2009 ki hab ban pendep ya kaneka teachers eligibility test la ki dei ki bahikai hagi government school la ki dei ki bahikai hagi private school la ki dei ki bahikai hagi SSA school almost all teachers across the country have to pass this teachers eligibility test te nata shushu kila ong ba ya kito kibadon haka service kibasa kat service kumba shu ai kanuksa kumba 5 years less kamut sa nilais nem ya kito la exam they don't need to qualify the teachers eligibility test nangta kalau ong shushu ba ya kito pat kibaka service jongki kalong more than 5 years more than 5 years it is mandatory ba ki hab ban pas ya kaneka teachers eligibility test but nangta shushu ya kiba kwa ya ka promotion ya kiba kwa ya ka promotion kita kino hikairo it is mandatory bakin pass ya ka teachers eligibility test te Halor jong kanika ruling jong ka Supreme Court ngini ya kren bati tinagaliang jong i commissioner and secretary ila Kynduh ba nakaliang jong ka government kan ya shong hagini you can get sni nakaliang jong ka education department kan shong hagini you can get sni banwat nikila tilenti kumno ban conduct ya kaneka teachers eligibility test lan ni ngila banong kaneka MTET hapo jong ini arsnem kumbalap tha daka Supreme Court kamut been effective from 1st September 2025 that is point number 1 point number 2 ila Kynduh hiba hoy menchwa kadon katu kajing ong bala exam ya gitu kiba join before 23rd August 2010 mo ka kadeka sngi kabana kalian jong ka NSTE kala penni ya ka notification haka by day but ka minimum qualification will be eligible to be as a teachers te nakalian jong ila pensyai menni ba Da kajingwan jong kani ka ruling jong ka Supreme Court. Ya katu ka exemption kepala exam as per notification issue on 23rd August 2010 katu kamdan sure. Kemudian baru mentau ba join shwa ya katu ni ba join hadin jong katu baru hi day ban pass ya kani ka TET exam. Ti nilai keren na kalian jong ni ba to some extent nila request mo ya ka government through him bala dalong ke bala ba kuno kin kondok ya kami katet ko kum ka special tet mo nang ba kan long boden than ni kiniki in service teachers taking into consideration ya ka service ke baki no hikai kila render mentamo kidon ki bala hikai palat ya ka hatsan khandru khatnyau arthau don ki bala hikai palat arthon snemro kena kalian jongi long ba as of now he cannot say anything but yang assurance ba in ya keren hapo ka education to the higher level hakabay day patkani kabenta nang ba kanlong hikum ka jingirap mo nakaliang jong ka state government ro na benta ya kani ka service kabakini kino hikay ila render barok sikata. The last but not the least nakaliang jong ilo ong ba hakabay day patkani kabenta ilo ong ini bangi convey ya ka message barok kino hikay but there is nothing to worry about this. The government will take a call at the earliest possible. But hadian kita akan inform ya ka direction in which way the government are planning to come out regarding the as far as this Supreme Court ruling is concerned that all teachers have to clear or pass the teachers eligibility test.